What's up? Welcome back to the channel. A couple weeks ago, I ordered this product and today it finally arrived. Let's check it out. All right, look at that. This is the Fiio Snowsky Echo Nano digital audio player. And this is a very anticipated device. What do we have here in this bag? What is this? Oh, this is a clip. Pretty nice. It's actually really nice and rigid. All right, let's get to this guy. Well, let's check out the box before we dive in. I got the white. I was like worried that it wasn't going to be white because I saw the label here. Okay, it didn't seem like there's a lot of information on the packaging. Okay. Oh, that's really tiny. Oh. Nope. Okay. Not as glamorous as I wanted it to be. Wow, it's so tiny. It's itty bitty. Got a little crooked sticker right here. Could have straightened it out. I mean, come on. Let's just put this aside for a little bit. Check out the paperwork. More cables. Quick start guide. Number 1 is power on and off. That's his top button here. So that's a button. Oh, that is a button. Number 2, which is the volume wheel. Number 3, this button. Play, pause, confirm. Number 4 is previous and next track buttons. Up and down rocker. Number 5 is the SD slot. Right here. Oh, I think this is metal. Number 6, USB-C port for data and charging. 7 is the display. Number 8 is 3.5 millimeter SE headphone out. And that kind of covers all the ports and the buttons. Operation function explained. Power on and off. Hold button for 3 seconds. Adjust volume by rotating. Switch songs. Short press previous and next track button. Play pause. Short press button. This button. Return, long press the play button. So if you want to return on the menu, is hold down the tiny button. Delete in the file browser. Select the song and double press the play pause button. Will call up a prompt window in the deletion. I guess if you're trying to delete something, you double tap once you're at that file that you want to erase. Double press the power button to lock the screen. Music settings, set the music loop mode. Pretty simple. All right, moving on. Let's see how this looks like with the case together. It's like the size of my thumb. Yeah, if you go all the way down to the joint index finger, that's impressive. Kind of reminds me of my very first MP3 player that I ever got as a kid. I remember getting it, using it on a field trip for one day, and then getting it stolen on that same day on that same field trip. And I have an idea who took it to. It was the guy who made fun of me for listening to Queen, sitting either right in front of me or right behind me. I forgot what he was. Let's see here. Just snaps into place. I guess that's in there. So that's how it looks like with the clip-on sleeve. I like this nice white one. Alright, let's turn this guy on. Oh, it's upside down. I know it's in Chinese. Let's find language here. English. Play is select. Nice. Oh, cool. File browser. Epic trailer theme. Oh no, they always include a song. So hold to go back. Hold to go back. Not bad. Media library. Music. Music settings. System settings. Select. What do we have for screen settings? Auto rotate. Screen timeout. Screen brightness. So what do we have on brightness? Oh, you can go brighter. Let's just go to 1 for now. 2. Auto rotate. Disable. Oh, I see. If you're like left-handed or something. Okay, pretty simple. Shutdown settings, knob control, global control. Volume only. Oh, so I see. You can scroll with the volume wheel right now. Or you can set it to only volume. That's cool. I'll probably just keep it as global control. UAC charging mode. Mobile mode, computer mode, normal mode. Well, right now it's set to mobile mode. Language, information, music support. Supports DSD 64, DSD 128, DSD 256, and then WAV or WAVE 24-bit 192 kilohertz. FLAC 24-bit 192 kilohertz, APE 24-bit 192 kilohertz, MP3 OGG M4A WMA, and then we're back to the top. Music support, reset all settings, format disk, format TF card. We don't want to do any of that right now. Yeah, you could scrub through the menu with the wheel or go on with the left and right here. I love that it's OLED. You can kind of tell where the actual screen is and what is a bezel. So the screen's actually like that big. It's not a big problem. Yeah, you can kind of see where the bezel is. Right there. All right, let's put on some music. This memory card I took out of my Heidi's player. This has been my daily for quite a while. This has all my electronic music. I don't know why I'm putting it back in there. All right, let's see. Will it pick up my music? I have a lot of FLAC on this one. I don't have a lot of DSD. And then we'll turn it on. Media library, all songs. Okay, so we need to go and somehow scan file browser. TF card. Confirm. Yes. Let's see how fast this takes. Oh, that was really, what? That was really quick. I have like 3,000 songs on this. Unless, yeah, it's not doing, yeah, I don't think this is getting everything. This can't be it. Music playback, let's see. Yeah, interesting. It only picked up 8 songs? That's not right. Yeah, something happened. It didn't pick up all the songs. Format not supported. All 8 songs that it discovered was not supported. That's not good. Why? Filter, equalizer, loop setting, gain adjustment. Nope. Okay, so it didn't seem to like the FLAC files I have on here, even though it supports FLAC. Maybe I have to transfer it directly onto this, meaning like plug it into the computer, put in a memory card, and then transfer music onto this. But it doesn't seem to like this card or the music on here, even though it discovered it. Yeah, it found Massive Attack, but it couldn't play it. And looks like it freaked out. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, so we're gonna have to figure this out. Turn you off. Okay. And we will put my wife's memory card in, because this was proven to work in that file disk. Okay, let's see. Turn it on. Select. Well, it seems to be picking this up pretty quick. Very odd. So from my wife's Echo disc, the music that was from there seems to be perfectly fine on this new Nano. Here's the volume. Very odd play. Okay, well, I don't know how to explain that. It didn't like this card, but it likes the card that was in here, or at least how the music was formatted. I guess it makes sense. Let's give it a sound test. Oh, my earbuds are a different size here. I have to... The correct 3.5 millimeter jack is in this desk, and right now the desk is all clamped up. I'm gonna find another solution. All right, I just brought my Grado Labs. It has the perfect connection for it. Let's play. Nice. Oh, cool. You could barely see. It says HR right above the battery symbol, and it has the loop sign, so the music set for loop, and that's your favorite symbol. It's a little heart, and that, I believe that's your memory card, playing off of your TF card. Yeah, it sounds really good. So cool. It's actually a little comforting to hear it play music after this episode. Wow, okay, so let's kind of check it out a little more. This is how it is compared to the iPod Nano. Like 7th gen. This is probably like the thinnest music playing device that I think ever exists. I could be wrong about that. But this one plays up to AAC files, or I guess there's things you could do to play a little better quality music from it, but you're stuck with 3.5mm jack. Battery on this is still okay. That's just a size comparison between the two if you're into tiny music players. Very fingerprinty. Size comparison next to the Fiio disc. This is it compared to my pocket knife. Basically the same size. Same length. And this is metal. Nicely coated too. I like this lanyard hole. It's nice and sharp, but like not in a dangerous way. You could do a lot of lanyarding. Let's do a little weigh test. Bring out the scale. So this is how it weighs with a memory card inside it. 33.8 grams. Fiio disc, 74 on the dot. Here's a mini disc. 16. 33.8. So this is very light, very light. Let's see what it weighs compared to the iPod. 30.7. Just 3 grams heavier than the iPod. So if you're into backpacking or anything, then I'd probably go with like the Shuffle or whatever this is, the Nano, 7th generation. If you don't mind the extra 3.8 grams or 0.2 grams, then this is perfect. If you want to go lighter, I don't know anything lighter. This mini disc is not light. It's 84 grams. So this is pretty light. I recommend this for the hikers for sure. May not be as light as the Nano, but you can fit more music onto it. Just think of the extra music being the extra grams. Very cool. I like this thing. Let's talk a little bit of the specs. So here on the Hi-Fi Cat, that's off widescreen. On the Hi-Fi Cat, it says the Fiio Echo Nano ultra portable hi-fi MP3 player with USB DAC. I believe you can turn this into a DAC. So if you plug this into your phone, you could basically have an external DAC. Okay, yeah, it tributes to the iconic perfume bottle MP3 players back in the early thousands. And I know exactly which ones they're talking about, those original Sony perfume bottles. Okay, here we go. Chipsets. It packs a Cirrus Logic CS43131 DAC chip. So just one. It's not a big deal. This has 2. It supports DSD256 native decoding and a fingertip scroll wheel. We already discussed that. Here are the specs. Supports DSD256 native decoding, PCM 24-bit, 192 kilohertz. It has the ability to be a USB DAC. You plug it in to your device out here. Set it into DAC mode. I think that's what it's on now. 0.91 OLED display. Very cute. I do like this OLED display. TF card reader up to 256 gigabytes. Does not go up to 512. 256 is the max. Just fine. I think I put in a 256 a moment ago. It didn't seem to like the music that was on there. Oh, we have a 7-hour battery life. 3.5 grams ultra lightweight. Supports DSD, WAV, FLAC, APE, MP3, M4A, OGG. Lossless. Headphone remote compatible. Oh, I see. So if your headphone has a remote on it, then you can control it. Headphone remote compatible. Support standard CTIA headphone inline remote controls for play and pause. That's what that is. Output 3.5 single-ended. Output 120 milliwatts, 32 ohms. Battery capacity is 360 milliamps, about 7 hours. Dimensions 81 by 20 by 11 millimeters. Shell is aluminum magnesium alloy. There you go. That's why it feels like metal, because it is metal. You got black, white, blue, orange, titanium, green, pink, and I think a month from now they're going to release this like very limited edition, this other color, this purple and gold one, which is actually really nice. Yeah, when you get in the box is the player, USB cable, quick start guide, and a warranty card. I'm going to go ahead and show my wife this and see what she thinks of this. Test it out too. What's up? I brought my wife here.
Hello.
Here, check it out. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Now open them.
Ooh, what is this? This is cool. Oh, this is the Nano.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the wake button. So this is the wake.
Ooh. Oh, it's playing ready. Okay.
And this is your volume. And also
Okay.
if you hold this, you can go back to the menu.
Oh, wow. And that's where you put the headphones on. And this is not bad at all. This is really nice.
It's really tiny.
Throw this in your pocket and...
Here's the clip it came with.
Oh. Oh, you could clip... Wow. That's actually not bad.
Yeah.
That's not bad at all. Oh, there you go. Okay.
Pretty good to run with.
Yeah. Wait, is the Bluetooth headphones could connect to this too?
Oh, that's a great question. Is there a Bluetooth ability on this?
I don't know. No.
Oh, there is no Bluetooth.
So you have to have a wired headphones.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
I would even bother to check that.
It's a good thing I'm here.
Yeah, there is no Bluetooth setting.
So if somebody
Oh, well, no Bluetooth setting.
so if somebody wants to use this, they have to have a wired
Yeah, I
headphones.
guess so.
But it shouldn't be too much of an issue.
The Fiio disc has Bluetooth.
Yeah, it does. I feel like everyone should at least have one set of wired and wireless headphones in their collection. It reminds me of, I forgot the brands, but remember back then they had like small little players like this?
Yeah, that's
I
their...
had something like this. I don't know what brand it was, but it's very nostalgic feeling. Just like an upgraded version of it. And that's how you pause it. Oh, wow. Yeah, it sounds nice.
Welcome back! We just came back from our field test. What my wife brought up earlier was pretty interesting about not having Bluetooth. It is something useful to have, especially for how light this is. It would be nice to pair this with Bluetooth. At least I couldn't figure out how to pair it. Maybe there is a way, I just couldn't figure it out. I'll update in the descriptions or something if I do figure it out. I appreciate you guys watching up to this point. It really helps us out. It's been a pretty interesting year. I'm pretty stoked on what's happened so far. I appreciate all of the supporters on this channel. I want to do a giveaway on this guy. I want to give this away when I hit 2,000 subscribers. The only catch this time though, compared to the previous giveaway I did, I prefer if you guys are in America. Because last time I shipped international and it cost more than the device itself. I could have ordered a new one and shipped it to their address and did that. If the winner happens to be international, I do ask for you guys to pay for shipping because that's just crazy. If you guys are in the US, I will ship this to you guys at 2,000 subscribers. That is the Fiio Snowsky Echo Nano Ultralight digital audio player. Thanks for hanging out.